What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to the channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, we're going to talk about a stock that I got a high conviction on. I know this stock is just a matter of time before it takes off, and it is in the kind of the similar boat as ticker symbol MMAT. We love and hold that one, but I love this one just as much. And this company keeps producing phenomenal revenues, and it just gets pumped and dumped. And you know what I do? I keep buying this one because I got a good share position. I've been actually buying January 2024 long call options. I think they're like $100, $110 something per contract. And I have been adding to those. I bought them back when it was actually a little cheaper than this. But yeah, this is a stock, guys, that is the true diamond in the rough. You can see the earnings came out. It hyped up here to like $1.45, $1.46, and it just kind of sold off the day, went back down here to $1.38. Guys, this is what I'm going to show you right here. Check out these headlines right here. Genius Brands announces 585% year-over-year increase revenue for the third quarter in 2021. The stock shoots up and it comes down. Wall Street isn't giving it any love. If we go down here and look at the recent headlines, you can see it has it right there. And market screeners covering it as well. But here it is, guys. Let's just go over these phenomenal revenue numbers. And this company is just setting itself up for amazing things to come. Right there, Genius Brands announces 585% year-over-year increase for the third quarter in 2021. Transformational acquisition of WOW, Unlimited Media on track. WOW's last 12-month revenues as of June 30th, 2021 were $56 million. Reports $130 million of cash equivalents, and marketable securities. CEO Andy Hayward provides a letter to the shareholders with business update detailing upcoming milestones. Here's our Q3 highlights for 2021. Of course, we got right here. 585% increase in revenue, $1.9 million for Q3 21 versus $0.3 million the same period last year. So yeah, huge increase right there. Acquisition of WOW Unlimited Media progressing as planned. WOW's last 12 months of revenues were over $56 million. The acquisition will grow the company's LTM pro forma revenues to over 1,100%. Guys, why is the stock getting no love? $130 million on cash equivalent, marketable securities. Cartoon Channel drove a 512% sequential increase of application installs from Q2 21 to Q3 of 21. 512% growth quarter over quarter. I mean, what more do you want? Cartoon Channel also saw a 229% increase of unique users from Q3 2020 to Q3 21. Of 294% increase of total ad impressions from Q3 20 to Q3 21. These numbers are just phenomenal. Cartoons Channel growing viewership continues to be #1 ranked kids streaming service in both Apple and Android app stores, ahead of Disney Plus, ahead of Netflix, ahead of YouTube Kids, the Cartoon Network, and Nickelodeon. Continuing growth on the Samsung and LG smart TVs, as well as Roku, and new distribution on Pluto. Leading program content acquisitions include Peppa Pig, My Little Pony, and PJ Masks, Power Growth. They now have launch in Spanish language program service. Casey en Espanol meets strong reception, breaks into the Cartoon Channel's top 10. There's just so many highlights here. The Rainbow Rangers sold into leading broadcast platforms worldwide, including Netflix, HBO Max, Paramount, Nick Jr., in addition to the Cartoon Channel. New Rainbow Rangers Master Toy license released in Q3 of 2022. So there's a lot of great things coming up here. Check this out. Stan Lee's Superhero Kindergarten starring Arnold Schwarzenegger grows over 75 million views to date, continuing strong performance. This is the big one here, guys. Shaq's Garage in production and on track to air in Q2 2022. That is going to be huge. The Arnold Schwarzenegger was great. The Shaq's Garage, I believe, is even going to be bigger. We got the Chizcom Beacon Media Marketing subsidiary signs new clients, positioned for strong post-pandemic growth. as industry migrates from linear television to multi-channel digital platforms. Stan Lee's Centennial brand position for December 2022 launch into retail. Guys, this is just like one of the best earnings reports with highlights that I can tell you. I thought the last one that Genius Brands put out was great, last quarter, but this one just blows that out. And this is what I'm saying. The stock does phenomenal and it gets no love by Wall Street. People buy it up, they pump it and they dump it. But there's going to be that time where the stock can only get beat down for so long, and then what's going to happen? It's just going to get bought up and it's not going to go anywhere. It's going to keep going up because people like me, I keep buying in, man. I see this thing just producing and producing, and it's like I just want to keep buying this up because someone's missing out on this, man. It ain't going to be me. When this thing takes off, I'm buying down here at $1.30s, $1.40s, $1.50s. I was buying this back actually when it was down to dollars. I just keep averaging in every month. Buy 100 shares, buy 200 shares, buy 300 shares. I also bought in those long call options when the price is this low, guys. You could consider doing that. Buying those January 2024 long calls. They're like $100 some, like $105, $110. They are really, I see you got over 2 years on those to let something happen. And I believe Genius Brands is going to take off and way before 2 years, guys. So that's what I got to say about that. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Like I said, leave a comment down below. It helps the algorithm out. It lets YouTube share it out to other people. And I will catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.